Okay, Labby, here's what we got. I wrote down those two numbers. I hope you did, being a good lab partner. The width of the paper being 30.4 centimeters, the length being 52.9, and I went down and over to the balance there, and I massed the aluminum foil. Came out to be 7.263 grams. All right, now, in the meantime, what I've also done, I've taken my graduated cylinder and I put some water in it. We're going to use a little bit of water displacement like we did in the last lab, and I already did the honors of measuring the graduated cylinder before. The level of the water is 72.9 milliliters. And you can take a peek at that. And that's 70.1. Each one of those marks, those gradations, are 1 milliliter, so just below that third line. So 72.9 milliliters. Now what we're going to do is put the aluminum foil inside that graduate cylinder. Now, the aluminum foil, the way it looks now, ain't gonna fit. Let's try it though. Let's try it. Maybe it will. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe. No. I'm a terrible lab partner. It won't fit. So what we're going to have to do is fold it down. Now, I've already taken the liberty of folding it a couple of times because I had to get it on the balance pan. But I need to fold it repeatedly until I can get it to fit in that graduate cylinder. The thing I got to be careful of, notice I've made this so nice and flat, is when I fold it, to flatten it out. If you actually take a piece of aluminum foil and just crumple it up a little bit, throw it in water, it floats. It actually floats, even though the density of the aluminum, which is given right there, is 2.6989 grams per cubic centimeter or grams per milliliter, is higher than that of water, which is 1. So when things are more dense, they should sink, which is true if they don't have any air pockets in them. There's no air. That's why ships can float in water. Ships are made out of steel, and that's certainly a lot more dense than water. But they float because of the air. That gives them an overall density less than that of 1. So if I can get all the air out of this, flatten it out as I fold it, then I should be able to get this aluminum foil to sink into the bottom and get some displacement on it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to fold. I just want to show you that I'm folding it, getting all the air out of it as I'm doing it, and I'm going to do it several more times until it gets to the point of it being able to fit. So, without boring you on how my folding goes, I'll be back.